In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. If you recently updated your password in any app and you have this password saved in old version in your manager, don't worry. The most important thing now is to locate Google Password Manager, which is a bit tricky. I will show you exactly how to do it though. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on Google. Now hit All Services here. Scroll again and this time tap on Autofill with Google. Select Google Password Manager. Tap on any password you wish to edit and after entering your screen lock, hit Edit button to make your changes. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. To be sure your password was updated, you can check it out after saving it by tapping on this eye icon right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!